a beautiful day in Center City, Philadelphia, in Graduate Hospital. I am meeting with a client for some marketing for her new property that is soon to come to the market. During this time, change up your social media strategy to show support for local businesses, restaurants, and others who are impacted by the coronavirus. There is much going on, and I want you to lend a hand, and even when that means sharing positive thoughts and inspiring quotes about either your business, advocacy, and the community. It's not about talking statistics with the coronavirus. It's about support and community, which is foundationally what social media is about. I'm getting back to foundation, so your turn to get back to foundation of why you're on social media for advocacy and relationships as a part of community growth. The events that are happening right now are throwing my typical routine out of whack. And in a way, with my current experience, this is supposed to happen for me. So the events in my life that are happening right now and the numbers that I'm seeing, because I believe in numerology. Numerology is my spirituality. These are the events that the universe is playing out for me for a purpose in order to help me heal and recover and also have a different life experience. This is happening for a reason, and I feel so connected to nature, and it feels good to be outside and to lean into nature in a very new way. Hello, Francesca Ragucci here, out in Mother Nature's territory right now. Mother Nature is always open, and now that it's nice out, it's a beautiful March day in the greater Philadelphia area, I am outside because my experience is so much better when I'm outside more and more. I look forward to the end of winter as we see it, just a couple of weeks left, and going into the spring, my outdoor office will be back, which means that I am going to work outside. So in this vlog, I am at the beautiful Willows Park on Radnor, Philadelphia's main line, on a gorgeous spring day. Fact about Willows Park in Radnor, which is where I am right now. That's a Willows tree. That's a willow tree, and I'm at Willows Park on a beautiful Sunday. I love you, Mother Nature. You're always there for me. I want to thank my handy-dandy iPhone tripod for accompanying me on this Willows trip as I am enjoying Mother Nature's beauty and its natural essence. I am enjoying taking pictures of myself in Mother Nature's beauty with my iPhone tripod. So many of my pictures you see of me on social is brought to you by my iPhone tripod, which I encourage you to also get one. It'll change your life. It is officially nice out in the Philadelphia area, so you will see more videos of me outside at the Willows and other outdoor locations because I love being outside, and entrepreneurship allows me the freedom to work outside. Yes. Hello, I am at the Wissahickon Park today, right in front of a beautiful lake and stream in the greater Philadelphia area. It feels good to involve myself in activities just for me, self-care, self-love, and self-reflection at this time. How are you enjoying your day in Mother Nature? No matter what day it is for you when you watch this video, leave a comment and let me know how you're doing outdoors.